everybody. It's 7:15 right now. I woke up early because I have to make some videos today, so I'm gonna do that before my class at 11. But I want to show you guys what I'm gonna eat for breakfast. So I've talked about this before on my story, but it's the So Delicious coconut milk yogurt and vanilla. I eat that all the time. It's my go-to easy breakfast because I'm one of those people that if I eat a big hearty breakfast before 11 o'clock, I will get nauseous and I will be sick for like the whole day. So yeah, this is perfect for people who cannot eat big breakfasts like me. And then I like to also add honey to it. So I always add honey, just like this. I just drizzle it down. Yep. So that's my breakfast. Okay, my kitchen's so small, so everything's right next to me. And then I'm also going to start making dinner because I'm crock potting today, and I'll show you guys that. I'm about to start that as well. So I made some ground turkey last night, so I just threw it into the crock pot as the first ingredient. This is the other half of it, and I'm gonna make a vegetable soup. So I just cut the onions and the sweet potato, and I have some pre-cut mushrooms, so I'm just gonna throw those all in. So now I just threw the celery and carrots in, and I'm gonna take this chicken bone broth and I'm gonna put the whole container in to make the soup. And I'm going to put it on 8 hours. Take the container, put it on it, and voila! Dinner will be served in 8 hours or more. This is my favorite type of milk, and these are my favorite cups. They're so cute. And then I'm going to take some lavender and put it in. But first I like to squirt some lavender syrup, which is right here, you can see the nice pot, into my cup. Okay, so I just threw in the Earl Grey tea bag and the lavender bag, or like, you know, the lavender pellets. So yeah, that's my little steamer I make in the morning, and it's cheaper than Starbucks. I don't make it every morning because I prefer other people's coffee over my own, but this is what I do sometimes. So after some time, I like to add extra things to flavor the soup. So here I put some tomato paste in, and I put some chicken bouillon, and I put a lemon, so that it can add some flavor to the bone broth, because the bone broth is going to be pretty plain without any flavor to it, so I like to add some stuff in. So I was in class, so I was able to like record the snacking I did in the middle of class, and making sure my voice isn't being heard by my class. So I had one of these toasted coconut brownies, grain-free flax mini muffins. They're completely gluten-free, and oh my god, was it amazing! So yummy. First time I ever had it. So good. They're kind of ugly. crumbly, but God, was it delicious. And you'll see total fat. Well, the calories are 140 in one muffin. And then I also had these grain-free paleo buffs, no cheese cheesiness. Literally so good. It's amazing. I ate half the bag right now, just in class alone. Calories 130, 5 servings per container. I just ate like 3 of those servings, but it's really yummy. Total fat 6 grams, carbohydrates 18. It was really good, and it has really clean ingredients in it. And now, since I'm on break, I'm gonna make myself a quick salad. I put some bacon in the oven during class to add to the salad, but I realized the salad comes with chicken in it. Okay, so this is the finished product. I just ended up using the avocado dressing because I was like, I don't want to really waste it. And I'm probably not gonna finish this, so I'm probably gonna let it carry over till tomorrow for lunch. But yeah, this is what my lunch is. Pretty yummy. So I took off my makeup and I'm exhausted because that literally took till like 5 o'clock I finished. So I don't even know how the footage looks, I don't care. Honestly, that was the worst. I'm never picking out that much clothes ever again. In the background, it's Pandora. And that's an advertisement, of course, because I started videotaping. But I just want to show you guys the soup. It smells good. This could also be made vegetarian without the meat. Everything else is, oh, except for the bone broth. I would just replace that with veggie broth. But yeah, it could totally be made vegetarian, vegan, whatever you need. But I like bone broth because it's better for you. So this video is to show you guys the highly requested what I eat, because I'm always cooking and I hate it. I really hate cooking, so my recipes are pretty easy to do and pretty, convenient for people who hate cooking as much as I do. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope you like seeing my morning face and the day I have ahead of me. So hope you enjoy, guys.